We're making chickens and waffles.
Okay, are we ready to cook?
Yay!
All right, we're gonna start with our chicken first, right?
I do it?
Yes, that's your job. Take some chicken and put however many chickens we want in here.
I want a lot.
Go ahead. It's your show. Go ahead, put them in. How many you want to make today?
A lot.
Wow, that's a lot of chicken. Who's gonna eat all this chicken?
Dad.
Dad.
Yeah.
Ready? Say, cook up little nuggets.
Go open little leggies.
All right.
Mom, can I do it?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
I press that button?
Yes, you can. I'll let you press the button, okay?
Hey, cook. Can I press it?
Yes, the middle button. All right, and we'll be right back to make our waffle, right?
Yeah.
All right. What that means? What the beep means?
It's ready.
What's ready?
The chicken's
Chicken's ready. Okay, so we're gonna let our chicken cool off, right? And we're gonna make our
pancakes.
waffle.
Waffles.
What you making? Your mix?
I'm making my waffle from my mom.
What you put in there? What you put in there?
Mix.
Okay, good. Next, what you need?
Oil.
There you go. All right. Now what you need?
Water.
Very good. Now what you need?
Mix it.
Very good.
Mix it. Look, it's turning.
What's it turning into?
Pancakes.
Very good. We turn on our waffle maker.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm not ready yet.
Very good.
Okay.
It looks good.
Yummy.
Delicious.
Listen. Now I'm gonna like bust the line.
Mm-hmm.
Georgia.
You done mixing up so we can pour it in?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Ready? You got a scooper?
I love it.
Here you go. You gotta spray your waffle maker. You ready? Grab your spray. Okay, that's very, very hot. Spray it. Press it. There you go. Good job. You did it.
Can I taste that?
Yeah. Put your waffle in.
Oh,
There you go. Put it in. Just be careful. It's hot, okay?
okay.
There you go. Careful. Keep going. A little bit more. Very good. There you go. You got it. Oops. That's okay. That's okay.
No, it's dripping,
That's okay.
dripping,
That's okay.
dripping.
That's okay.
Drip, drip, drip. Drip, drip, drip.
There
Mommy,
you go. That's okay. You got it.
I want to taste it. Please, 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 please.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. You got it. Okay, you ready? Let's check it. Ready?
Yummy!
Wow! You ready to scoop it on your plate?
Yes,
Can you do that?
That's not my plate. That's Daddy's. That's my yours.
Yeah, you do. Remember, you hold it tight and you just scoop it on to your plate. You see like that?
That's not my plate. It's your plate.
Look, you did that.
It's
Very
your
good.
plate.
Thank you.
It's your plate.
High five. Thank you.
Here you go, Mama. It's
Thank
your
you
plate.
so much.
Can I have mine too?
Yes. All right, we got our chicken and waffles. Can you plate everybody's plate? Nice and pretty like that. 2 on top. Very good. Next one. Oh, that looks awesome.
I don't want to with mine.
Okay, you did a great job.
I don't want to with my mommy's or
Okay,
dad.
you want to do
or
mine? You put some on mine?
Yes, Mom.
Very good. Okay, give me some.
Yes, please.
Thank you. Oh, that looks great. I can't wait to eat it.
It's
Very Very good. Oh, that looks yummy. That's enough for me. Thank you.
Let's get on Daddy's.
Dad, you want waffle syrup?
He wants
He
some.
doesn't want any. Okay, you want some?
No,
Do you want some butter, some ketchup?
no, I don't want butter and ketchup.
Okay, sounds good. We should take some bites now.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna try mine.
Yes.
You gonna try yours?
Yes, Mom.
All right, ready?
Yes, Mom.
On your marks. Get set. Cheers. Oh, it's okay. You have to do it again. Ready? I'm gonna take another bite. Ready?
Yes.
On your marks. Get set. Cheers. Mmm. You did so good. I'm proud of you.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta clean it. That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mine is delicious. Thanks,
I
Lola.
want to share about mine. Dad, your dinner is ready. Your dinner is ready. Come on. Come get it on the table.
That is awesome. Good job. High five.
Dad, come get it on the table.
High five. Thank you, Lola. Awesome. That's delicious. Good job.